This is Greg. Greg loses his belongings. Greg is a loser. I too was a loser. But now I'm a keeper. I put AirBolt GPS on all of my important things, and I'm never going back. The AirBolt GPS has a live GPS and next-gen cellular connection, so you can track anywhere, at any time, using the AirBolt app on your smartphone. It's not restricted to Bluetooth like all those other brands. Does a Bluetooth tracker work if your item goes out of range? No, you would be a loser. This next generation tracker goes on anything you want. Keys, purse, bike, pets, loved ones. With up to 12 months battery life from a single charge, you actually can't lose. The AirBolt GPS works seamlessly with the AirBolt travel lock. It's not a brick like other brands. The AirBolt GPS is keyring size. It's extremely durable with a built-in separation alert. You can even set a geofence. And if this little tracker goes outside, alarm time.
Warning.
It's weatherproof, waterproof, has an accelerometer, a temperature sensor with a built-in water alarm. How the hell could you ever lose? Share access with friends and family using the AirBolt app so they can't lose. Grant access to anyone, anywhere in the world with live location history, global, cellular, satellites, no lose. Let's help Greg. Let's make all losers keepers. Let's invest in a global lose-free future. AirBolt GPS. Global tracking like it was meant to be.